Turnkey, Unlocking Homeownership. The Homeownership Set-aside Program is one of the 3 programs included in the Turnkey suite of products, and FHLBank's inaugural down payment and closing cost assistance program. HSP has provided down payment and closing cost assistance to very low, and moderate first-time homebuyers for over 25 years. In this video, we will go over the main HSP eligibility guidelines. However, the training does not provide a complete review of guidelines, which is why we provide a comprehensive guide called the HSP Plus User Guide, found on the Turnkey website. We encourage you to reference the guide often when qualifying households for HSP. Now let's look at the main HSP eligibility guidelines. The HSP opens on the first Monday of March. Eligible homebuyers may receive up to $15,000 in HSP funding. All household members, including children, borrowing adult occupants, and non-borrowing adult occupants, and their income must be disclosed as household members. Household income may not exceed 80% of the area median income. All borrowers, co-borrowers, and co-owners must be first-time homebuyers per FHLBank definition. Non-occupying co-borrowers and non-occupying co-owners are ineligible. Mortgage interest rates must be at or below the FHLBank maximum interest rates in effect as of the date of the loan closing. Processing fees cannot be charged for providing the HSP subsidy. Lender fees paid by the homebuyer may not exceed 3% of the loan amount. Discount fees paid by the homebuyer may not exceed 3% of the loan amount. Payments of non-housing related costs as part of the home purchase are not eligible, regardless of the amount of funds the homebuyer and/or other parties contributed to the transaction. The first mortgage loan may not close prior to FHLBank approval of the reservation. Reservations cannot be transferred to other homebuyers or properties. The front ratio may not be greater than 38%. The front ratio is verified at reservation and disbursement. Make sure you are using FHLBank's qualifying income to calculate the front ratio. A homebuyer education course approved by one of the organizations listed on the Turnkey website or in the user guide must be completed by at least one adult household member. Cash back at closing may not exceed $250, regardless of the amount of funds the household and/or other parties contributed to the transaction. And finally, the household is required to retain ownership of the purchased home for 5 years to avoid repayment penalties. The real estate retention agreement must be signed at the loan closing and recorded against the property. A template for the agreement can be found in the resources section for the Turnkey website. We are excited to partner with you as you learn about the Turnkey programs and how they will be the key to unlocking homeownership in your community.